Do you want your iPhone home screen to stand out with a sleek black and white design? In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to turn your app icons into stylish monochrome, or black and white on iOS 18. It will give your home screen a minimalistic look, and it looks fantastic if you have a black or space gray iPhone model. So since this is a new feature, you'll have to make sure that you're running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 18 at the time of recording this video. So I'm already running iOS 18, and let's learn how to make my app icons black and white. And before we start, you can also make sure that you have some black wallpaper, just like I have here, because it will make your home screen look even better if you have a black or black and white wallpaper behind those icons. So let's start. We first have to long press anywhere on your home screen, or press on an app icon for 2 or 3 seconds until your icons start shaking and you enter into this wiggle mode. As you can see, my app icons are shaking, and the next step is to tap on this little Edit option at the top left corner of my screen. That's going to show us 2 options, which are the Add widget and Customize. Let's tap on this Customize option, and another menu will pop up over our screen where we can customize our app icons and change the color. This is a new feature in iOS 18, so if you're on iOS 17 or lower, this won't work for you and you won't see this feature. This will only work on iOS 18 and later. So you can see that we have 4 different options, but the option that we want to click on is this tinted option. When we click on this, 2 sliders will appear over our screen. The first slider lets us to change the app icon colors to any color we want. You can change it to red, green, yellow, blue, purple, and many more. But we don't have a black or white option on this slider. All we have to do in order to change our app icon colors to black and white is to drag this second slider at the bottom from the left side to the right, all the way to this white color. And when we drag this slider all the way to the white color, you will see that our app icons are now black and white. In order to save these changes, just tap anywhere on the home screen, and your changes will be saved automatically. You can see that our icons are now monochrome, or black and white, and this can help you at night when you're looking at your phone. It can save you a little bit of battery, but it also looks really cool. So enjoy and subscribe to the channel for more similar iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching!